Hello everybody, welcome back to Lori Craves. Today we're going to experience EVA Air's economy flight to Taiwan together, so let's go. EVA Air. This is actually my first flight with EVA Air, so I have no idea what to expect. And I'm so excited to experience it with you.
Oh, powder. Huh? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I'm so excited. Oh, the mushroom looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been so long since I had one. This is not where we belong. This could have been us. This could have been us.
Right now.
$61, Oh, we're over here.
Sir.
Very nice. Blanket and cute headphones. The vomit bag. These are so cute. They knew EVA Air. I'm gonna keep these. They actually look pretty decent. There's a lot of leg space.
Headphones up.
Look at this. A full palm. Even my husband, 6 feet, 5 feet 11, has a good 4 to 5 inches. Then we have a pillow and a blankie. Take off my shoes. They're off. Oh, steamy. Wipe it cozy. Ready? When are we gonna eat?
On overnight flights, I try to stay awake until we have our first meal because I'd be so sad if I missed it. At around 2:30 a.m., they rolled out dinner. Thank you. So I chose the chicken over mashed potatoes.
Oh, this actually looks kind of good.
And we get a bunch of sides with it.
So cute. These slices are so pretty. Then this is like an egg salad. Oh wow. I love that they get avocado utensils. Oh, I think this was a bad choice. So hard. I wanted mashed potatoes.
I immediately regretted my decision because I honestly thought this was going to be chicken thigh when I ordered it, so to my surprise, it was just a giant hunk of chicken breast. I was seriously struggling to eat because of how tough the meat was. Mashed potatoes is what you would expect, very soft and delicate. It had the red potato skins in it and tasted like real mashed potatoes, but mixed with the chicken sauce as gravy was actually quite good. However, 10 out of 10 would not recommend though, because look at the other option.
Oh my god, I made the wrong choice. That looks really good. You get so many shrimp. Oh, this looks so much better.
This was the seafood over rice, I think it was called, with a not too sweet and sour sauce, with a few pieces of steamed veggies on the side. There were even scallops in it. I definitely learned my lesson to always choose the Asian option on an Asian flight because my cravings were not satisfied. But I still finished it because we don't waste food. This egg salad was creamy, not bad.
Oh, smoked salmon.
And they gave a generous piece of smoked salmon. It was not too salty, just the way I like it. The bread they gave out during dinner was so warm, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I just love me some good bread and butter. My favorite part of dinner was definitely the melons. They gave us a piece of cantaloupe, watermelon, and honeydew. I couldn't get over the presentation because they were cut so perfectly and super sweet. Just look at the color of the watermelon. I guess it's in season somewhere.
Pineapple? This is really good.
After dinner, they gave out bottled waters and then I PTFO'd. At 12:30 p.m., I woke up from the smell of savory snacks. They were giving out warm ham and cheese sandwiches and some cheese crackers. The smell kind of reminds me of a bakery, and I was excited to try it. The inside was filled with gooey cheddar cheese and a few layers of ham that wasn't too salty. The ham and cheese sandwich was actually pretty good. I recommend eating the crackers first though, because after eating the cheese sandwiches, you can't really taste the crackers.
Tastes like nothing after that.
I also had some dried mangoes that I brought with me and had that for like a little dessert. A few hours later, they were giving out that famous EVA Air rice cracker snacks that I've heard so much about. I was so excited to try it. There were a lot of different pieces and it was just fun to eat.
Oh, there's something in here.
Around 4, they served us
Thank
breakfast
you.
and I went for the congee this time.
Let's see how the congee looks. You didn't want congee. Huh? Oh, it's like okra salad or something. And this is the frittata.
Ham and
Oh.
ham and cheese. Oh,
Oh, that actually looks so good. Tomato. Was it got ham?
and there's onion.
Fine.
The grilled tomato was so juicy, and I would say the highlight of the frittata option.
So much corn.
The congee had carrots, corn, lettuce, and pork, topped with green onions and sliced ginger. It came with some fish floss that you just sprinkle on top for some extra flavor. The fish floss is basically dried fish shredded up, and it adds a nice savory flavor to the congee that makes it so addicting. The sweet bits of corn added the perfect amount of crisp, and the added veggies was a plus.
I think there's just something comforting about eating congee on the plate.
The congee was nice and gooey, the texture you can only get from boiling it for a long time at the right temperature. If you couldn't tell, I just really enjoyed this meal.
Oh, my breakout heart.
Next, the okra asparagus salad was tossed in XO sauce, which was okay, but I ate it all because I needed my greens. And of course, the fruits were sweet and delicious.
They peeled this.
The congee was so good, even my phone couldn't resist. I stole some of my hubby's orange juice and it was very standard, but it hits the spot for breakfast. And as I tried my yogurt, my camera decided to take a bite of congee too.
How could that happen? This is one splat.
I guess I just made it look way too good.
buy the snacks.
We like to bring snacks with us because airlines don't always feed us, but EVA Air sure did. We were so full and ended up carrying this bag of snacks for the rest of the trip. And just like that, we're in Taiwan. It was such a comfortable flight. I don't know why it took me so long to take a flight with EVA Air, but we will definitely be doing it again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next one.
Bye-bye. Oh, these two? No, how about these?
It doesn't even look like it's full.
Next time.
Thanks so much for watching.